Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim here. Guys, the update video from earlier this week played out perfectly. So I wanted to update that idea and let's get into it right now. So, if you recall, we were looking at this entry zone right here um, at the Val, the yearly open, and the 786. And look at that perfect bounce. Um, really, really nice reaction. And a lot of shorts got wrecked here. And if you looked at the order flow, shorts were like piling in, piling in, piling in. And then boom, quick move up, just crush them all. So now we're kind of like floating around. Um, so let's see what I think will happen next. Um, if you took this trade, awesome. Let me know in the comments. I posted this on Twitter too, um, with the stop loss and everything. So make sure to follow on there if you're not already. But now we're getting a move down. Personally, I took a short right here. So that's playing out quite nice. The reason I took a short is because we rejected near this point of control, and we lost the weekly open, then retraced. So that's when I entered. But the main thing here is usually after a significant liquidity grab like we had right here, um, we don't just go in a straight line. So you can see, um, if we look back here in the chart, for example, this liquidity grab right here, we took these two lows. Really nice, strong pump, just like what we got currently. And then big, deep retracement, and then pumped again, and eventually went all the way up here. So the main point with that is when we do have these strong vertical moves, a lot of longs like to chase in. So what I am expecting is I am expecting a retracement, and usually it goes to the 618, the golden pocket. So I think if we do retrace down deep, you should be looking at longs in this area. So I'm obviously holding this trade. I took half out up here though, um, and my stop is at entry. So if it looks nice when we're coming down, I will re-add to that position. And if that's the case, you'd want your stop loss at this low because we shouldn't break this low again. And I would look for, TP1 breaking these two highs into the point of control. But ideally, we can do our bigger move up, and hopefully all the way up here would be amazing. So look for that idea in the coming probably 24 to 36 hours. It could happen. Obviously, it's possible. We just continue moving up. And if that's the case, we're already long. So I don't mind that. Um, but one thing to mention is we have these equal highs here, and the point of control will move like that. So if we do get a move up into it, uh, maybe take a little bit more profit or be careful, just because this point of control has been a strong resistance area, and now we have built up liquidity going into it. So keep that in mind. Down here we have some liquidity. So I would expect something kind of quick into it, and get a lot of longs wrecked, because if we're going to go up, we need some more fuel for that. So we need to wreck the longs before we can go up and accumulate some more shorts. Also, what I've seen happen a lot is this low is our range low of this range. And a lot of times that usually gets retested. So I could see a retest of the range low before the further upside. And if that's the case, that's why we have our stop loss down here, because in case it bounces here or here, we'll be fine for that scenario. So let's just be patient and hopefully we get this. But what I do like is I like this, 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 and this, all really nice built up liquidity that if we get just a strong candle through it, would make a lot of sense to me. Now, obviously, this is our invalidation here. Um, if that does get invalidated, that's a probability, then the 80,005 or 85,000 K area, or just 85,000. The 85,000 area looks decent as well. We've been talking about that for some time. So again, this is a game of probabilities, but I am comfortable to take a new long position in this area, and hopefully ride it up here, because I do really like this bounce from the yearly open. I think that's really nice. And the 786 played out really, really well. So if you took that, awesome. If you didn't take it, totally fine. But thanks for watching the channel, and I hope you guys took that. It was something we've been planning for a long time that's been chopping around. So really happy to have that play out. And make sure you guys are subscribed for the next video. And if you need a good exchange to trade on, Bit2Nex is linked below. It's a really good exchange. You don't need any KYC or VPN to access it. So anywhere in the world you can use it. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a good one. Make sure to like and share the video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next update.